Hi guys, welcome to another video of SAP EWM basics. In today's session we are going to discuss about storage bin type. So we call in short as SBT, storage bin type. So it's a size of a bin, like it's basically bin size. So it denotes with like length, width, height, weight, volume. So what is the length of this bin, what is the width of this bin, what is the height of this bin, and how much weight it can bear, and what is the volume it can bear. So those information we fill as a SBT. Let's say in a warehouse, in a typical complex warehouse, we have three types of SBTs, storage bin types. R1 is being 1 meter height bin, R2 is 2 meter height bin, R3 is a 3 meter height bin. So length and width are same, but height is changing, which can bear 1000, 2000, 3000 kgs. Now we are going to see the combination of SBT and HU type. So HU type means it's again different size of the HUs. Pallet can be like Europe pallets and industrial pallets. Now the combination of pallets and SBT we will mention as a matrix in the system. Why we have to mention in the system? Because sometimes 1 meter pallet cannot fit into a smaller bin. 3 meter height pallet cannot fit into 1 meter height bin. So how your system is going to restrict this? So you have to input this information with the combination of SBT and HU type. So if you see in R1 1 meter height bin, we can accommodate only 1 meter height pallet. In R2 we can accommodate 1 meter height pallet plus 2 meter height pallet. In R3 we can accommodate P1, P2, P3. So whereas if you see in R1 in 1 meter height bin, you cannot accommodate 3 meter pallet. If you input this information to the system with this matrix, system understand that 3 meter height pallet should not go into 1 meter height bin. So when it is going to work, the movement in the storage type control parameters, you give the tick box of HU type check. For more videos, for more SAP EWM basics, configuration, master data and testing, please join to our next batch. For more details, contact to given below numbers.